how to create an account in Linkme. So if you want to create an account in Linkme app, then what you need to do is you just need simply open up your Linkme application. Make sure that you install the application from your Play Store. After installing, just go with sign up, which will be on the bottom. You will have login. If you've already created your account, you can go with login, or if you have not created and if you want to create one, then go with sign up. So tap on sign up and it will take you to the create section, create page. Now you will have two options. One is personal and then the other one is business. So you can go with personal if you want to create a personal ID or account, and you can go with business if you want to create a business account. So I'll go with personal and then enter your email. So enter the email address and then go with full name and enter your full name, and then go with username, add a username, go with date of birth. But if it says that the username isn't available, then you just need simply go and add another username which is available, and then go with date of birth and select your date of birth, go with password and create a strong password. Once your password is strong, you need to go with continue, which is on the middle of your screen, and then it needs to verify your contact information. So it has send an email code to your email address. So enter that code and then go with continue, and then allow the permissions if you want to. I'll just go and skip that and tap on skip again, which is on the bottom. Again, skip. If you want to subscribe, you can go and subscribe, but I'll just simply go and skip. If you want to add the profile photo, add it, or add your email contact form. Once done, go with done, which will be in the top right, and tap on not now, and that's it. Your account has been created. That's how you can create an account in Linkme app. And if you have any questions, feel free to comment below. Thanks for watching.